Assembly and operation guidance of Hemway Energy Saving Boiler V10. Assembly steps. Step 1. Connect iron wires. Step 2. Connect steam pipe. Tighten the hose clamp. Step 3. Fit zipper sleeves in. Step 4. Connect the water inlet pipe to the main water tube, or put it in the bucket. Connect the drainage pipe to main drainage tube, or put it in the bucket. When starting work, turn the rotary knob to on work. Press the button addition and subtraction to adjust the steam pressure. According to the clause, turn the iron to a suitable temperature. When the pressure increases to a set number, start to iron. While taking a short break, turn the knob to the rest position. The device will enter the standby state. When finishing work, turn the knob to the off position. The equipment enters the state of blowdown. After 2 minutes, the equipment completes blowdown, automatically shuts down. Hemway Energy Saving Ironing Overall Solution Provider.